Subject Social Science, Class 4th, Unit 2, Title Physical Features and Landforms of Tamil Nadu. Hi Kutis, good morning. Already we learned about Kurunjil land in the previous class. Kutis, now I am going to ask some questions about Kurunjil land. Are you ready? Yes, very good. Kutis, how many types of Thinnais are there? Yes, 5 types. Very good. Then, who is God of Kurunji? Yes, Murugan. Very good. Kutis, do you know about the Kurunji flower? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Say the color of Kurunji flower. Yes, blue color. Very good. Okay, Kutis. Today we are going to learn about Mullai land. Listen carefully. Kutis, do you know what is Mullai land? A large area covered by trees is called forest. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam due to the presence of red soil. The forest is rich with lakes, waterfalls, teak, bamboo and sandalwood. In this region, millet grows and wild bees are source of honey. Mullai or jasmine is flower of the forest. Grassy areas below the hills where cows, buffalo and goats can eat grasses, known for its wild jasmine or mullai. Kutis, do you know about the themes? God, Thirumal. People, Idayar, Idachiyar, Aichiyar. Occupation, cattle rearing, gathering fruits, showing millets. Plant, Guava. Flower, Mullai flower. Animal, bear, rabbit. Bird, parrot. Musical instrument, Mullai yaal. Kutis, do you know Mullai people occupation? Idayar, milk sheller. Ayar, cattle rearer. In Tamil Sangam literature, they are called as Idayar, Konar, Ayar this community. The main profession of this community is goat, sheep, cow farming. This was the home of the cowherds or the ayers, who spent their time herding cattle and playing the flute, just like the Lord Krishna. Kutis, do you know who is the god of Mullai land? Yes, Thirumal. Very good. The Mullai represents the pastoral regions of the land. The god Mal or Vishnu is also worshipped today as Thirumal or Perumal. Kutis, do you know the soil of the Mullai land? The land of Mullai, red soil with stones and bubbles. Kutis, do you know types of forest? Yes, mangrove forest, Malay forest, reserve forest, chola forest. Very good. Kutis, do you know which is the second biggest forest in India? Yes, mangrove forest. Very good. Kutis, now homework time. Do today's homework.